Located in northern Arkansas by Missouri, Mammoth Spring State Park is home to the largest natural spring in the state and one of the largest in the world. Every hour, 9 million gallons of clear water flow from the spring, creating Spring River that begins right here. The spring maintains a cool temperature of 58 degrees. Bridges, walkways, and scenic overlooks let you experience the vibrant blue-green water up close while enjoying nature and wildlife. The dam was built in the late 1800s to provide hydroelectric power for the mill and community. The dam creates a picturesque waterfall before continuing downstream into Spring River. The park is also rich in history. Be sure to explore the restored 1886 Frisco Depot Museum and the historic locomotive that helped connect this area to the country. Whether you're taking photos, enjoying a picnic, fishing, or simply relaxing by the water, Mammoth Spring State Park is a hidden gem combining natural beauty with history. It's the perfect stop for anyone exploring the Ozarks.